In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a mega menu in the Wix editor. Creating a well-organized menu can significantly enhance the navigation of your website and offer a better user experience. Let's dig into the process step by step, combining ease and clarity to set you on the right path. First things first, we want to add and set up an advanced horizontal menu on your page. To get started, direct your attention to the left side of the editor, where you'll find the Add Elements section. Click on it to open up a range of options, and then select Menu and Anchor. From there, choose Horizontal Menus. Now here's the fun part. Click and drag your preferred menu design to the desired location on your page. Once that's placed, we need to ensure your menu is set as advanced. To do this, click on the newly added menu within the editor. Look for the settings icon and give it a click. In the options that appear, select Set as Advanced and then confirm this choice in the pop-up. This is an important step as it enables us to add and customize our mega menu efficiently. Now let's move on to adding a mega menu to your advanced menu. To integrate a mega menu, simply select your advanced menu in the editor and click on Manage Menu. Towards the bottom of this panel, you'll find a button to Add Menu Item. Click that and select Mega Menu from the list of options. You'll be prompted to enter a title for the mega menu container, so input the title that best describes its purpose. Once you're satisfied with your entry, click Done. This sets the base for your mega menu, but of course it doesn't stop there. We need to fill it with content. Adding content to the mega menu is a breeze. In the Manage Menu panel, hover over the newly created mega menu container and click Edit. This will open up the editing mode for your mega menu. Again, on the left side, click Add Elements to select the type of content you want to include. Once you've decided, simply click and drag the desired element into your mega menu container, positioning it exactly where you want it. With your elements in place, you'll want to adjust the layout of your mega menu container. Click on the mega menu container to reveal the settings, and then click Change Layout. Here you'll find several options to tweak the layout to your liking. You can select a different layout style, or adjust the spacing between the main menu and the drop-down items to achieve the look you're aiming for. Finally, we arrive at customizing the design of your mega menu to ensure it aligns perfectly with your site's aesthetics. Exit the mega menu mode by clicking Exit Mode on the mega menu mode bar. Click on your advanced menu again, followed by the design icon. Choose Customize Design. From the drop-down menu that appears labeled What do you want to design, select Drop-down Menu Container. Here, you'll have a range of customization options to design your container precisely how you envision it. And there you have it, a fully functional and customized mega menu, ready to guide your visitors through your website's vast landscape. By following these steps, you've created a navigational tool that not only enhances usability, but also aligns with the visual theme of your site. Happy building, and see you in the next video.